First and foremost, and we hear this from our customers a lot, is that they have to then manage that OEM. And you can imagine that gets more and more complicated as there are different manufacturers in play, so that I'm having to manage a manufacturer for my mobile payment device separate from my phone or tablet device, separate from my protective case supplier. And so that becomes a lot of management. And so what Stratix can provide is a vendor consolidation platform where there's one consistent entitlement that the end users receive and the customer receives. But at the same time, we handle all that in the background because we have folks that are dedicated to managing our OEM's turnaround times and their compliance, and leveraging our volume and scale with those manufacturers to make sure that they're doing what they signed up to do. Oftentimes as well, the manufacturers have one process to repair a device and get it back out in the field. And that does not involve device provisioning, or if an asset tag has been removed and needs to be replaced, for example. So devices would be returned in a factory state, which means they then need to be provisioned for the use case and potentially activated on a carrier network or deactivated or suspended. And those are all activities that we provide as part of our lifecycle management process.